Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you are looking for a great golf shoe, then check these out.
SKONI is really changing the golf shoe game. They have made a pair of shoes that can be worn both on and off the course. These feature all-day comfort, grip, cushion, breathability. They're made with a microfiber fabric, spikeless treads, and a gum rubber sole, which makes them so comfortable. The inside features an insole that can be removed, and they also have great arch support. It's no wonder why SKONI golf shoes won Best in Show at this year's 2023 PGA Merchandise Show. So, I would say you should really kick off your golf season with a new pair of golf shoes designed for casual comfort and a fresh vibe. These are wonderful. I also really enjoy the design of these and the texture on the outside. Highly recommend.
And that's my point of view.